Diabetes is a serious condition. It affects millions of people around the world, disrupting their daily lives and posing significant health risks. It impacts how your body uses sugar, leading to high blood sugar levels that can cause a range of complications if not managed properly. The good news, you have the power to fight back. By making informed choices and adopting healthier habits, you can manage diabetes effectively. Small changes can make a big difference. Simple actions like choosing water over sugary drinks and incorporating regular physical activity into your routine can have a profound impact on your health. We're talking simple steps, not giant leaps. Adding more vegetables to your meals and opting for the stairs instead of the elevator are easy ways to start. Let's take charge of our health together. Engaging in community activities and group fitness classes can provide support and motivation. Diabetes can feel overwhelming, but you're not alone. Support groups and healthcare professionals are here to help you navigate this journey. Millions are facing the same challenges. We're in this together. Sharing experiences and healthy recipes can build a strong support network. This guide will give you the tools to take control. From tracking your progress with fitness apps to educating yourself with health resources, every bit helps. Remember, every step counts in the fight against diabetes. Each positive choice you make brings you closer to a healthier, more vibrant life. What you eat matters. The choices you make every day about what to put on your plate can have a profound impact on your overall health and well-being. It's not just about filling your stomach, it's about nourishing your body with the right nutrients. Choose foods that love you back. Opt for meals that are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These are the building blocks that help your body function at its best, keeping you energized and feeling great. Think fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods are packed with essential nutrients and fiber, which aid in digestion and help maintain a healthy weight. They are your allies in the journey to better health. These are your new best friends. Incorporate them into every meal and snack. Share the joy of healthy eating with friends and family, making it a fun and rewarding experience for everyone. Cut back on sugary drinks and processed foods. These items are often high in empty calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats, which can lead to weight gain and other health issues. They're not doing you any favors. Instead, they can leave you feeling sluggish and unsatisfied. Make a conscious effort to reduce their presence in your diet. Small changes can lead to big results. Start with simple swaps and gradually build healthier habits. Over time, these small adjustments can lead to significant improvements in your health and well-being. Swap white bread for whole wheat. Whole grains provide more nutrients and fiber, helping you feel fuller for longer and supporting your digestive health. Snack on nuts instead of chips. Nuts are a great source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them a satisfying and nutritious snack option. Drink water instead of soda. Staying hydrated with water helps your body function properly and can even aid in weight management. Your body will thank you. When you make healthier choices, you'll notice a positive difference in your energy levels, mood, and overall health. It's all about making healthier choices, one step at a time. Every small decision adds up, leading you towards a healthier, happier life. Start today and feel the difference. Exercise doesn't have to be a chore. It can be a fun and enjoyable part of your daily routine. Find an activity you enjoy. Whether it's biking through your neighborhood or playing a game of tennis with a friend, the key is to keep moving. Walking, dancing, swimming, it all counts. These activities not only help you stay fit, but also make you feel good. Aim for at least 30 minutes most days of the week. You can break it up into shorter sessions if that works better for you. Even short bursts of activity can make a difference. A few minutes here and there can add up to significant health benefits. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. It's a simple change that can boost your daily activity level. Park farther away from the store. This small step can help you get in those extra steps without even thinking about it. Walk around during commercial breaks. Use these short intervals to stretch or do light exercises. Every little bit adds up. Consistency is key, and every bit of movement contributes to your overall health. Remember, you don't have to be a marathon runner to reap the benefits of exercise. Just find what works for you and stick with it. Your body will thank you. Knowledge is power. Regular checkups are key. They help you stay on top of your health. Talk to your doctor about your blood sugar levels. Early detection is crucial in the fight against diabetes. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Your doctor is there to help you. Together, you can create a plan to manage your risk. Remember, you are your own best advocate when it comes to your health.